chocolate. I sat in chocolate. And the worst part, I had no idea when I sat in chocolate, and I'd been wearing these jeans for like 3 months. God knows how long I was walking around looking like I dropped a deuce in my pants. Gentlemen, today, in an attempt to help you not look like you shit your pants, I'm going over 8 common casual style mistakes most men make every day. First casual style mistake that most men make is not inspecting your jeans properly when you get done wearing. As most of you stylish men know, you should not wash your denim after every wear. Most of us, when we're finished wearing our denim, we just take them off and hang them up. And unless they stink or we know that we spilled something on them, we never actually inspect them prior to putting them back. Gentlemen, let my shit-stained pants be a lesson to you. Always inspect the front, the back, and give them the sniff test. I think that's chocolate. The second casual style mistake was also discovered by accident. Here's me posing with Kevin O'Leary from Shark Tank, and look at my shirt. Look at my shirt. Let the record show that I am guilty of wearing shirts that are too short, right? We talk a lot about shirts not being too long, not coming down and covering your crotch. Well, something else you need to pay attention to is making sure that that shirt does not shrink up too much. One way that I want you to tell whether or not that shirt is too short, put it on and lift up your shoulders, right? Right there. Do you see it? Right there. And if you can actually see skin when you lift up your shoulders, this is a sign that the shirt you're rocking is too short. There are a few ways that you can stop the crop. Number one, buy higher quality shirts that are a little bit longer, all right? Typically, the higher the quality t-shirt, the less it's going to shrink. Also, when you're shopping, you can also look for pre-shrunk. A lot of stores will sell t-shirts and say on the tag that it has been pre-shrunk. But if it came from an outlet store, gentlemen, don't believe the hype, all right? It is still going to shrink up if you toss it in the dryer, which brings us to the third way to stop the crop, which is do not dry your t-shirts. Hang dry them. Once they're dry, you can toss them in the dryer on a low setting to break it up and make it a little softer. The third casual style mistake that most men make is removing the strings from their hoodie. Never remove the hoodie string. It just looks unfinished. Now, if you pull it out by accident like this, here is a quick and easy solution. Get a straw, and then what I want you to do is, if you can, all right, jam that hoodie string in the end of the straw, like this. And then take the straw and thread it through the hood, and simply pull it through. Now, if you're like, yo, I lost the hood string, you can also use old shoelaces. I found that that works well. Now, if you want to, you can also find hoodies that don't have any strings at all. Check it out. No strings, no holes, just clean and sexy. It's got like a V opening. This is my favorite hoodie that I own. It's from Public Rec. And the reason I love it so much, guys, is A, up here, no string, it's clean, it's sexy. The fabric is like super stretchy, and it's just crazy comfortable. It also has like a built-in like secret pocket like inside of the pocket, and it's just a crazy sexy hoodie. This hoodie, in my opinion, is perfection. Guys, if you want to check it out, I'll link to it down below. It comes in a bunch of different colors. The size I'm wearing is a small. Public Rec is today's video sponsor, and so below this video there is also going to be a discount code. And while you're there checking out the hoodie, guys, if you don't have a pair of their all-day, everyday pant, guys, those are, in my opinion, a must-have for everybody, because they solve the fourth common everyday style mistake, which is wearing big baggy sweatpants when you're running around town. On a scale of 1 to 10, how sexy do I look in these sweatpants? The answer is a -5. Boom! Gentlemen, the all-day, everyday pant by Public Rec, in my opinion, is a must-have pant for you dudes out there that like to be comfortable, but not look like you're wearing sweatpants. The reason why I love these pants so much, well, actually, there are a few reasons. Number one, the comfort. Look at that. The fabric is super stretchy. The other reason why I love these pants so much, guys, is the fit. Unlike joggers, they're not like super crazy tight at the ankle, and so they're a little bit dressier. But unlike sweatpants, they're not like super big and baggy. The other thing that you're gonna love about these pants, guys, they don't come like small, medium, and large. They come in waist size, but also the inseam. And so you get to choose. Like if you're a 30-30, you can rock a 30-30. If you're a 32-32, you can rock a 32-32, which means they're gonna fit you better. So the perfect mix. It's not super casual like joggers. It's not super baggy like sweatpants. They're just clean, they're sexy, but they're comfortable. It's like the perfect athleisure wiener pant. Guys, hit that link down below. They've got black, they've got blue, they've got a ton of super sexy colors. And while you're there, make sure to use that discount code. And if you like Henleys, they got Henleys. Gentlemen, if you guys love Henleys, this Henley from Public Rec is a must-have. Hit the links down below and use that discount code. But if you see something you like, guys, and a color that you love, do not wait, because they oftentimes will sell out of the popular styles and colors. And guys, I don't want you to miss out, because you are going to love this clothing. It is amazing. The fifth casual style mistake most men make every day is inappropriate pairing. The denim jacket, in my opinion, is a must-have for every stylish dude. The problem, though, is that a lot of guys are freaked out about denim jackets because they think to themselves, yo, can I wear it with blue jeans? Blue denim jacket looks amazing when paired with black jeans, with gray jeans. The other option for rocking the denim jacket, guys, is to wear it or pair it with chinos, right? Any color chino for that matter. Another one of my favorite casual combinations is pairing a denim jacket with camo pants. Now, I know that some of you might not be into camo, but if you are, it looks amazing. The sixth casual style mistake, this one drives me crazy, is when I see dudes not wearing underwear underneath of their gym shorts. Never free ball at the gym. Gentlemen, come on now. Come on now. It drives me crazy, right? And it's not that I'm looking for it, but you just can't help it. If a dude's walking, right, and he's got those like shiny, like basketball-y shorts, right, and you see his like little wiener like just flopping, gentlemen, do not let your little wiener just start flopping. The deal is this: everybody, including those spicy senoritas, can tell if you're circumcised or not. Wear underwear to the gym. Now, if you're in a thicker fabric, like a pair of denim, and you want to go all commando, gentlemen, do it. But at the gym, wearing shorts, never. The seventh common casual style mistake is all about tags. Gentlemen, one thing that will automatically ruin your shit is if you think you can actually tear a tag. If I had $1 for every shirt I ruin because I'm like, yo, I think this is one of the ones, and I'll pull it and it'll totally pull the seam. Gentlemen, if you want to remove a tag and it's bugging you, no problem. Just grab a razor blade, give it one of those, or scissors, right? But the deal is this: you never want to just rip a tag, because chances are you're going to totally jack up the shirt. Last but certainly not least, the eighth casual style mistake that most men make every single day is not hanging your shirts properly. Boom, shoulder nipple, boom, exactly. Weird thing over here, looks like a collarbone sticking out. Instead of hanging it, what I want you to do is take your shirt and fold it in half, all right? And then what I want you to do is match up the sleeves, all right? We want to get all of the wrinkles out. Lay it on your body and fold the sleeves neatly over top. We're left with something like this. And then all you do, grab the hanger, right? Right there. This is how you should store your long sleeve shirts. Uh-oh, it's not chocolate.